Hey my loves, how are you doing? You know where I am? Of course, South Coast Plaza. This is where I go every time I take a break. Anyway, my CA contacted me over the weekend. I have this bag that, a little thing. I wouldn't say it's really a bag, but it's a cute little purse. He contacted me over the weekend and he told me that they have it. I'm so excited to pick it up. It's a surprise. I can't wait to show you. Now I have it. Oh my god, I can't wait. This little thing. I'm so excited. This little thing has been in my wish list for a long time, and he finally have it. So yeah, it's so popular and it's the best value for your money. This is one of those. It's going to be my first video for unboxing a little cutie from YSL. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Zona. I share videos regarding fashion, how to style, shopping, and fun things in life. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my sweet little thing from YSL. I'm very excited, and also I have some Zara tops and a blazer that quite exciting to share. So first I'm going to show you my Zara shoppings. Alright, cute little tops, and of course the big deal is this blazer. How cute. I really like it. It's like so elegant. This is just my style. This is more me. I like Zara because they have a very good price. The quality is not bad. They are fast fashion brand, and somewhat like a dupe for designer clothing. And some shoes, they have shoes, bags, and accessories. And their price is not bad at all. It's like very, very affordable. And sometimes they go on sale. So I think that you should check them out. It's very popular here in America. So this thing, as soon as I saw it, I fell in love right away. It has this cute little crystal flower shape buttons right here, and it's a tweed style of blazer. It's black and it's really nice. Very, very nice. I like it. I'm a size small, and I actually paid $129.90 for this one. With this type of item in Zara, blazers, tweeds, you have to really like buy it right away, especially you love this style, because for the most part, if you have a smaller size like me, I wear a small or sometimes a medium, you have to just buy it because it will go on sale. Yeah, most of their items would go on sale on the end of the season, but then with the cute ones, normally the ones that are left would be on a bigger size, or they're just damaged or turn or return. So I noticed that about Zara, although I wanted to save some money, but if I like something, like I know it could be popular and will be sold out fast, I will just buy it right away, especially like cute ones like this. So cute. I really like it. Oh my god, it's so adorable. wearing a lot of Louis Vuitton casual bags, so I have to get some of these tops that are just basic, and I got them. They're really nice and it's on sale. You can't believe how much I paid for this. Look at this cutie. So this is like $7.90. Isn't that awesome? Sometimes you really don't have to buy expensive clothes. And the next item I got is this one. It's cute. It's got the little fold here and then a button on the side. I mean, I'm not a fan of this, but this is the only color that they have left in brown, and I wanted to have a brown basic t-shirt. And this one, I paid $9.90. The third one is just another basic black top, and it also folds on the sleeves. So this one is quite pricey. $12.90. And I have the white version because I really like the black one. I saw that they have it in white. It's also the same. It's a basic shirt, small, $12.90. Then this cutie right here. I love the ruffles. It's so cute. I like the material actually. They seem to be very soft and light. This one is a small. It's $9.90. Now, are you ready for the highlight? Sweet little candy for the day? I'm so excited to show you this little thing, and I really hope you will like it. Hi!
There you go, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Champagne and shopping just goes well together. Hey, my loves. I'm here in YSL. Can't wait to show you my unboxing. And here it is. Oh my god. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Here it is. My Saint Laurent first unboxing video. Oh my god. Shout out to Ernie from South Coast Plaza, Orange County, California. That's where I am. Shout out to him. This little cutie has been in my wish list for probably a couple months now. And my CA said, you know, that's very popular. We get those once in a while and they just get sold out so fast. But he saved one for me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. Let's start it. Let's open it. So you put a ribbon. I like going to that YSL boutique in South Coast. They just make me feel like so at home. I feel so welcome there. Always have some champagne and good conversations, and of course they like to take pictures of me, and of course we have pictures me and Ernie together, and I really enjoy that. They have some youthful vibe. Most of the CA there are just really fun, young, and very energetic. It's a lot of positive energy in that boutique, so I guess you should go there. I also like the one in Cabazon, Hero. I like him. He just works hard and always sending me pictures of items whenever they get them, and he knows like what my style is, so he would send me pictures. Here it is. Oh my god. Let's do it. Are you ready? Boom. Isn't this like so elegantly simple, nice little pouch? How cute. I like that gold hardware with the black leather. It's the little Uptown pouch from YSL. Alright, what is this? What is this? Oh, okay, okay.
It's a very popular Uptown pouch.
He's unboxing it for me. How
Clutch.
sweet! Oh my god, I've been
So
waiting for
cute.
this.
Look at the way it opens.
I love you, Ernie. Thank you. I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The little booklet instructions here with it. So then of course it's price tag. Yeah, it's $475. This is a lot of leather and hardware for the price for luxury item. So it's very, very good to start with your collection. If you don't have any pouch or an evening bag, this would be perfect. So this is a medium size and it's a box lower narrow. That's what it says here, but I know this is called an Uptown pouch. So what I would do is like I would use this for evenings. Hold it up like this. Yeah. And one thing I want to show you is I got this chain from Louis Vuitton, one of my Louis Vuitton bag, and I think that this would really go nice with this pouch. So I could actually convert it into like a shoulder bag. How cute! Don't you just love that? I love this idea. I could then wear it like this. How sassy and chic. And you can wear it with a black dress, or I guess white could go with this. I mean, black is a neutral color and gold, so basically it could really match with any outfits. But I would say this is more like an evening bag. So like when you go out to dinner, go on the dates, or just to hang out and have like a happy hour. In case you spill your drink on your bag, then I wouldn't feel bad because the price is okay. And I think this is very resilient and durable. The leather seems to be very thick and sturdy. And I think even if you spill anything on this, that you could just wipe it off easily. So I like YSL. They have very, very good material. And I find it to be very durable and just good price bags. Plus it's very stylish, modern, and classy. Like this one. So this doesn't hurt at all, this little chain here. I don't know if you could make it, I mean, you could make it shorter if you want to, right there. I mean, you don't have to use a Louis Vuitton gold chain. You could use any chain for this. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Shorter. Make it hang in the crook of your arm. So that's a good idea also. It has a big room. It opens up like this. So you could actually fit your keys, your essentials, keys, 1 or 2 lipstick, and a phone, and a card holder. So that's what I would bring with this bag. I really love this. So you better make friends with Ernie because he could get you one. Today I'm wearing my classic Chanel teardrop earring in a gold hardware. And then I also want to share what I have on in my eyes. Of course, I always mostly wear Charlotte Tilbury makeup, but for today's eyes, this is just my favorite I really like this. It's the Dolce Vita Luxury Palette. Very nice. This is all made in Italy, and it just goes well with my skin tone. Another thing I'd like to share with you before I end this video is the book that I'm reading right now. I'm the person that starts her day by grabbing a book to read. That's just how I have been doing it for almost 20 years now. I don't know, but I always read books in the morning. And this time I have grabbed this Louis Vuitton city bags and the natural history of Louis Vuitton. I'm thinking about creating a content video regarding this book. I just don't know yet like how I would put it together, but hopefully when I get a chance I could actually sit down and put together ideas and how I would present this to you. Let me finish the book first and see what I can do. It's quite interesting, and it's a thick book, so I'd like to show you just how it looks like. So it shows all the city bags that has been classic and the first bags that Louis Vuitton has created. I hope you had fun with my unboxing today, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great one. I love you.